How to change Facebook name font style. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how can you create stylish name on Facebook. For that, you'll need to go to your Google Chrome and then search for lingojam.com and then type in your name. So you can see various stylish fonts here. You can choose from the list of fonts. So I'm going to choose the one with this square boxes. You just have to tap on it and then you need to select it and you just need to copy it. Now come back to Facebook and then go to the menu icon on the bottom right and then tap on your settings and privacy. Tap on settings again and then tap see more in account center. Now you'll need to tap on your profiles and then tap on your profile again. Here you'll see name option, tap on it and then tap on first name, delete it and then paste the name that you just copied and you can just hit save and your name will be changed into something stylish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.